can we download Inshot on PC? Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to download Inshot on PC, in this video we are going to find out if we can do that or not. So for that, you can open up your browser directly and type in Inshot in the search bar. You can type in Inshot for PC and you should be finding these results. So from this given results, you can head over the official website of Inshot, tap on it in order to open up the website. Once you open it up on your screen, you should be finding the option that says download on the App Store, on Google Play, and on App Gallery. So if you want to download Inshot on PC, unfortunately we cannot download it. It is an app developed for phone. So if you want to go ahead and access the Inshot, you need to download it onto your Apple or your Android device, your mobile device. So for now, that is only the method if you want to use Inshot. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.